Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that promises to make your dishwashing a breeze. We're talking about the MR.SIGA dish scrub brush, renowned for its ergonomic design and reliable performance. Let's see why this could be your next go-to kitchen companion. The MR.SIGA dish scrub brush is designed with practicality and comfort in mind. Available in a variety of vibrant colors, including this striking blue option, it stands out not just in looks but also in functionality. Made from durable materials, it's built to withstand the rigors of daily dishwashing. Choosing the MR.SIGA dish scrub brush means opting for a blend of style and functionality. Whether you're tackling everyday dishes or pots and pans after a hearty meal, this brush promises to deliver. Now, let's see it in action. I'll demonstrate how effective this brush is in removing dried-on food residues from dishes. As you can see, it effortlessly cleans without requiring excessive scrubbing, thanks to its well-designed bristles. While we won't delve into customer reviews today, it's worth noting that the MR.SIGA dish scrub brush has garnered high ratings for its ease of use, durability, and ergonomic grip. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for a reliable and aesthetically pleasing dish scrub brush, the MR.SIGA dish scrub brush deserves your consideration. Its blend of functionality, durability, and style makes it a standout choice for any kitchen. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on products that make everyday tasks easier. See you next time.